Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, guys, we're going to take a look at the markets, take a look at what's going on, what some top stories are. How's everybody doing? We'll give everybody a minute to pop in here. Appreciate you guys. All right, we'll start at the top, guys. We got Celestia leading the way right now in the top 100, up about 11%. We've got Chainlink. We've talked about Chainlink. Keep in mind, guys, we're at consensus here in Texas. Chainlink CEO is going to be speaking, one of the main speakers. Chainlink's been pumping here the last week, up 17%, maybe expecting to get some big news out of Chainlink. We know they're the leader in RWA. They've been that way for a really long time. So Chainlink looks really, really interesting right now. I think yearly highs are right upon us, right around 22 bucks. Right now, just over 19. Keep your eyes peeled on that one. SHIB still up 4 or 5% from last night. We had a huge surge. It actually flipped Cardano for a little bit, went into the number 10 spot, dialing back a little bit, but huge whale activity. Whales are waking up a little bit with SHIB, feeling comfortable buying at those mid twos, which that's a big deal. Still waiting for the big retail to come back, right? So a lot of the same money kind of recycling, resurfacing. And Ondo, man, yeah, Tiger Meg. Ondo has been on fire. I don't know if you guys were here when we were firing up Ondo at 75 cents, but all I can say is I'm loving it. And I wish I would have put way more into it, but I think we're really early still with Ondo. So yeah, Ondo looks really, really strong. Good morning, everybody. JH Reviews, appreciate you, man. Appreciate you for being here. Thanks to everybody here. Make sure you guys hit the like button on your way in. Definitely helps us out. Oscar's in the house, literally in the chat, and he's literally right here. Look at this guy.
Morning, fam.
There we go. Literally, he's in the chat, and he's right there. Right here. Yes.
Always supported.
Love it, love it, love it. What's your take on the market this morning, man?
I think I like it because there's going to be a lot of phenomenal people right now, just across, very, very close here in Austin, and everybody has one common goal: mass adoption, bringing people to crypto, allowing financial institutions, allowing the government, allowing those who don't have to have, not to be deceived by their own government currency or politics or corruption, but letting freedom through crypto reign in.
Yes.
I mean, that's like, Oscar, what are you talking? Come on, I want to make money. You want to make money here in the US, but crypto is bringing freedom and liberation, I believe, in other different places. So
True.
Maybe Shiba Inu can help with that, not only because it's a meme coin, but also because it's a community, and it allows for people to say, okay, look at this, I love it. I mean, I want to get on board of the Shiba Inu army, right? Then we have Pepe, we have Doge, Hava, Cardano, Ethereum, Chronos. So it really depends which community you belong to, and just enjoy the journey because the best days, Zach, are coming.
No, 100%, man. You're right. And I think, we're looking at this. I kind of titled this like the calm before the storm, guys. It's quiet right now. And I know Oscar talks a lot about this too. But, when things are quiet, those are usually the times to buy, right? When things seems eerily kind of quiet like it is right now, we're kind of trading sideways, kind of in a consolidating market right now. Tori, thanks for the $2 super chat, man. Appreciate you. This is the time. I think I heard Oscar this morning say this is the accumulation phase. And I couldn't agree more for altcoins and your top plays right now. Jasmy's been pumping. We've watched Jasmy make some nice runs here, up 30% in the last week. So shout out to the Jasmy community. We're in a nice little trade there in Jasmy. Wish I would have put more in there, but hey, we're up on that. So loving that. Caspa's another one that I absolutely love. It's quietly moving up a little bit. Dogecoin getting some love as well. Polygon is another one, man. It's been stuck around mid 70s, 74 cents, 75 cents. I think eventually these top cryptos are going to wake up, guys. And when they do, it's too late. We're going to look back on these time periods. Yeah, it was boring, but this was the time, I think, to accumulate. Still is, right? Still is. So let's take a look at some of our small caps, guys. Let's see here. Because I know what one particular community is loving it this morning, setting all-time highs, and that is Kendu Inu. So where is the Kendu fam at? Let me know in the chat if you're from the Kendu fam, because they are absolutely going parabolic Ooh, and Brett's on a nice pump as well.
Really?
Oh my gosh, Brett is pumping.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see
So this is the Kendu
that.
chart.
Oh, okay.
Kendu charts here. Kendu's hitting all-time highs, guys. $57 million market cap. This is Kendu Inu on Ethereum. Remember, Shaitoshi was following these guys really, really early on. But guys, check out the Brett chart.
Oh,
The Brett chart, we just hit all-time highs on Brett, guys.
solid, bro.
$880 million market
that
cap.
money.
Brett is going absolutely parabolic right now, guys. TokenFi, yeah. Shout out to TokenFi too, Tiger Meg. You know, we've been on TokenFi since day one, brother. Absolutely love that play. But yeah, look at Brett, guys. The inevitable Brett coin on base, heading to $1 billion market cap. Let's freaking go, baby. Crash. Of course, the main guy. Loving this, I'm sure. Absolutely loving this. Look at this. We are close, really close to hitting $1 billion market cap. Miguel's in the house. What's up, brother? Hello from Ireland. What's up, Jose? Nate B, Kendu, fire this morning. Yep, 100%, man. Absolutely. Kendu's on fire. Brett's on fire. Those two in particular, two that I follow very, very closely, are crushing it. Myro's up a little bit today, too. Myro's just under $300 million market cap. Guys, don't sleep on Myro. Look at this chart. That's a really good-looking chart still. Building up nicely. We've seen Ponky steal a lot of thunder recently, but Myro's still for real, guys. And I think there's a chance this thing can get to $1 billion, too. Speaking of Ponky, let's check it out. It's cooled down a little bit. Ponky looks good. Still looks good. On a little pullback, but we went all the way up to... what was that, about 56 cents, dialing back to about 48 cents now, still $270 million market cap. Still looks really, really good. Crazy chart, Myro, question mark. Yeah, Myro looks good, really good. A lot of people are sleeping on it. This is the Myro chart. Looks really, really solid still.
I just bought Pepe and it's going up. Yeah.
Yes. Oh, Meme AI woke up too. Yeah, we tracked that one. Let's check it here. Oh, that looks interesting. Yeah, this is the Meme AI chart. Yeah, it had a huge, huge pump back in March when everything did. Sold off, starting to build back up a little bit. Yeah, interesting. That's Meme AI. MVP, another small cap. It's in the Donald Trump category. So MAGA VP, MVP. This is looking really, really good too. $26 million market cap, getting close to setting all-time highs here. What happened to Turbo? Is it selling off a little bit or is it still solid? Let's see. It went up so freaking much, so fast. It wouldn't shock me at all if it's pulling back a little bit. Let's check it. Turbo's down 21%, but still at a $500 million market cap, guys. So still looks really, really good, but had to have a pullback after that parabolic run. But still, $500 million right now. Looks pretty solid. And people are buying up the dip here. If I were looking at Turbo, I'm kind of waiting to see some consolidation here. We probably see a little bit of that in the hourly. Not yet, right? This doesn't really tell us anything too much yet. Kind of waiting. Bonk and Volt. My lady. Hey, Zach, what happened to ASI and where to buy? So, ASI token is not live yet. Okay? That is the, will be the largest AI crypto project when they all three merge, but it's not live yet. It was supposed to go live on the 24th, 25th, I think. But yeah, not live yet, guys. So don't buy anything that's fake or whatever. We're still waiting from the official team on all of that, so. I'm trying to get this thing to extend. I know it does. Okay, well, that'll do. What's going on, everybody? Kendu Sendu, Zach. Much love from the Kendu Army. What's up, Kojak? What's up, man? Yeah, looking phenomenal, bro. Make sure you guys tell the Kendu community, come join us. Get in that Telegram. Let them know we're here. I know they're probably up and at it, going crazy, loving it. Let's see. SHIB's still up 5%. What else is going on that's kind of going under the radar here? Let's see. Talked about Chainlink a little bit. I really, really like Chainlink still at $19, guys, a lot. Whiff. How about Whiff? Whiff has been on a really, really good run. $3.81 right now, up 33%. They just cracked the top 30, so shout out to Whiff. They had some really big whales come in. Anytime we get a dip on Whiff down to about $2.70, $2.80, that seems to be a spot where whales are coming in pretty hard and buying up the dips. We've seen it happen like 3 times already. This is the 3rd time it just happened. If you look just in the last month and a half, 2 months, 3 times we've bounced off that pretty nicely. How you feeling about Bohm? Yeah, we opened a trade on Bohm at around 400 million. We put 1,200 into it, so it's looking good. You know, that was that one that entered the top 100 out of nowhere. Nobody knew what the hell was going on. But yeah, it's interesting. It's a top 100, you know, crypto. Zach, will Pepe keep going up? What are your thoughts about the bullish activity lately? Tons and tons of capital going into Pepe right now. It's the hottest meme coin. It's obviously ERC20 base with the Ethereum ETFs. That helps. Ton of NFT money coming into Pepe. That's a thing that we learned about early on in Pepe days last April. You know, because NFTs haven't really come back. That capital has to flow somewhere, and that capital is flowing into meme coins. A lot of it went into Pepe. A lot of it went into Pepe. Will Pepe, do you think ASI tokens will be a sell the news event? Not really. I mean, so it's going to come out as a $7.5 billion market cap right out of the gate, right? Speaking of ASI. It's going to be a $7.5 billion market cap. So it's going to be pretty large. I mean, so the opportunity there to like 100x might not be there, but I do think in the bull run over time, it'll do well. The potential of Volt. I really like Volt still. They have a strong community still. They have a lot of utility. They have, you know, they haven't really seen a full-fledged bull market yet. You know, they ran up the last couple years kind of in the bear market. So it will be fun to see what they do in a full-fledged bull for sure. The Volt Army's in the house. Make sure you guys share this with all the Volt Army. Get them in here. We got Shib Army, we got Volt Army, we got Kendu community, Pepe community. Love it. What else do you guys got? Let's see here. Mexi doesn't let me withdraw my money. Be careful, guys. Casablanca, what happened? What's it telling you? Strump is killing it and heading towards 50 cents by the next 2-3 weeks. Yeah, we covered Strump, Patrico. Yeah, there's a lot of the Trump coins are pumping like crazy. Golf day, question mark? No, I just look like I'm going to the golf course, I know. My nice clothes are golf clothes pretty much. So I got my golf attire. I'm getting ready to head over to the conference here in a little bit. They suspended Solana withdrawals on Mexi. I did not know that, but that's the risk you run always, right? With centralized exchanges. So I don't hold a lot of your funds there. If you're going to trade or whatever, keep a little bit here and there, but don't keep your big bags on any centralized exchange. Barry, XRP. What about it, Barry? Any news on Dog Whiff on Sphere? No, nothing yet, David. I'm still holding that Sphere Whiff hat in hopes that it comes to fruition. Nothing crazy, a few $100. What are your thoughts on Cardano? Cardano's frustrating, man. But I still hold a ton of it. I'm not going to sell it. I am going to take profits sooner than I thought I would on Cardano, just because there's going to be a lot of faster horses, I think. You know, one that I really like is Ondo Finance. We've talked about that. There's so many ones I want to build a bigger position in, right? Whether it's Ondo or Render or Sui or Stacks, you know. We had a lot of compliments on the shirt. Appreciate you guys. ICP, high risk, high reward. Crow is frustrating right now. Yeah, it's in a similar boat than a lot of the OG altcoins that aren't moving right now. But that will change. Capital will flow into the top alts. It just hasn't happened yet. We're that early in the cycle. I like Aerodrome Finance a lot. Randomness, yeah. Top decks on base has a lot going for it. I think it's a good play. Turbo dumping bad. I mean, it's down 20+%. I mean, but look at the chart, guys. It had to take a dip. I mean, it had to. What are your thoughts on Caspa? Love it. Top 5 holding. I own a shit ton of Caspa. Maybe too much. Maybe not. Hopefully not. But I have a lot of Caspa. Hearing a lot about how Caspa is going to be the next Bitcoin. Your thoughts? Yeah, there's a lot of that narrative going around, Roger. Thanks for being a member here on the channel too, brother. So the thing with Caspa is it was fair launched. It's built on the Bitcoin consensus model. It's proof of work. It is not backed by any VC money. So if exchanges list Caspa, they have to buy it on the open market, just like we do as retail investors. They're working to solve what a big issue is in the space. It's the trilemma. So how can you have a blockchain that is secure, decentralized, but also scalable, right? Like Ethereum, it's safe, it's secure, but it's hard to scale. That's why we need L2s and L3s, right? Solana, more scalable, but they have security issues. Caspa is probably doing the best of all the blockchains in solving all three at once. What do you think, brother?
I just wanted to say shout out to Kronos.
I love it.
We're gonna be heading. I'll be go ahead and bother some people. But shout out to everybody watching. 400 people, 300 people watching. Smash the like button for my man Zach, and you're getting top-notch info, man. Like for reals. One last thing that I think we don't typically say. If you really like crypto, like for reals, and you can look. I'm bilingual, like I have my native language and I of course speak English. Make a crypto channel on YouTube.
Yeah.
Make a Twitter account profile. You might say, nah, I just don't want to. Okay, well, do whatever you want, but it pays off. You don't have to have the top-notch equipment. I mean, we have a phone right here in front of us. Why am I saying make a YouTube channel or so? For those who want to listen. Because we are approximately 3 to 6 months away from Bitcoin and everything kind of ripping, and you don't need to be expert to really get a lot of views. God willing, we're gonna be massively accumulating audiences, and we're gonna be welcoming new people to crypto. That could also be you, right? So shout out, guys. Shout out to the Crow fam. I'll take a picture. I'll post it on Twitter. I represent everybody on CrowFund. I'm really honored for that. And let's go, man.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
So I'll be heading, brother.
Okay.
I just wanted something to drink.
Yeah. And just hop in too. If you guys have questions for Oscar, he's hanging out with us too. Are you going to get coffee?
Probably, but I think they're gonna be giving some water or something.
Oh, inside over the conference?
Yeah, inside of the conference.
Nice.
Yeah, they have to.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we're getting ready. Consensus starts today. Yeah. Family Z, what's up, brother? Thoughts on Krob? That's a Kronos meme coin, right? Krob? What do you think?
Krob, it was the first one launched by IMO. I don't own it. I bought it when it launched. I sold it when it peaked. So I'm not on it. Has a lot of liquidity. You can see how it's BC backed or so. So I prefer the ones that are not. I prefer the ones that are like Ka, Mary, Ryoshi, FY. But whatever you want to buy is your money. It's your money, brothers and sisters.
If you're making a Kronos meme coin portfolio with 3 meme coins, what are you doing? How are you structuring that portfolio?
Well, only 3?
Yep, only 3.
Easy. It's going to be... definitely we could add more, but Ka, Mary, and Ryoshi.
Mary, and Ryoshi.
Ka because you always want to get that 1 billion, half a billion possibility that already has a track record. Mary, because it's just an amazing opportunity that we talked about it yesterday, which it happens. I think everybody was listening. A lot of people were listening to the space, and I think we're now stronger than ever, right? And lately, Ryoshi, I know the team, Nathan, phenomenal. There's a bunch of things that are, I think, on the pipeline. So, yeah.
All right, here's another one for you guys. And everybody in the audience, I want you guys' answer on this too. Hit the like button for us real quick, by the way. Smash the like button. 3 little dots, hit the like button. 7 meme coins in the top 100. You can only put 3 in a portfolio. Which meme coins of the top 100 meme coins, there's 7, which 3 are you putting in that portfolio? It's difficult.
Only 3 out of everything?
Yep. Only 3 that are in the top 100, so 3 out of the 7.
Okay. Shiba Inu,
Okay.
Pepe, Floki.
Ooh, I like it.
Love it. I mean, Shiba Inu because I'm biased and I love Shiba Inu and I'm not going to stop saying it. Pepe because it's my cavalier of this season, so Pepe can really exceed my expectations easy. And Floki because, are you kidding me? Floki is... I wish I had more Floki, but I'm not the Federal Reserve that I can just print money, right? But yeah. What about you?
Floki, man, that's a great call. I love the Floki call. I kind of want to get some Solana exposure, so maybe I would go Shib, Pepe,
Whiff
and Whiff. But I think Whiff and I think Floki could do some tremendous things. I think it's super underrated, man. Floki's super underrated.
No, yeah, for sure. Look, and with this I end because I'm very thirsty. No matter whichever you buy, no matter really whichever you want, that is already proven. I'm not saying buy Floki Inu, Pepe, Shiba Inu that I just launched right now, right? I'm not saying that. But no matter whichever you buy that it's already proven in the top 100, I think you should be fine.
Yeah. They're all like blue chips, right?
Yeah.
Blue chips.
Fam,
Make sure you guys subscribe to Oscar if you guys don't. I know a lot of you guys already know.
Blessings, everybody.
Subscribe. All right, guys. What else do we got here? What else do you guys got for us? Bring you inside the kitchen at the Airbnb. What else do we got? What do we got? Hit me with some questions. What about XRP? XRP's stuck. XRP will be stuck until they get done with until they get done with the lawsuit. Pull on the shirt. You guys really digging the shirt, huh? Y'all neighbors? No, we're in the same Airbnb. So this is our spot. We got a couple bedrooms up there, just a little Airbnb. We're right next to the conference at Consensus. So date went well Sunday. Date went well. Yeah, went good. Don't sleep on LUNC. No, I hear that, Mark. I hear you, Mark. I'm gonna get some water here, guys. We need some water. On fleek, bro. Nice. It's my it's a golf shirt. Got my golf attire on. So you're gonna see George from Crypto or Us? I'm sure he'll be there. Don't sleep on Onyx Trading. Okay. Dynamic duo. Yeah, Oscar, man. Oscar's in the house. Austin's over here. Austin Hilton's over here getting ready. Bohm, fairly low supply at number 86. Yeah, no, I like Bohm. Welcome to my city. Don't sleep on Caspa. Oh, we're not sleeping on Caspa. Caspa's a top 5 crypto of mine. Seriously, what are your thoughts on Dogeverse? I like it. It's a pre-sale, so you never know, right? But it looks promising. A lot of people talking about it. It has similarities to like what Slathana had a lot of people talking about it. So go Shiba. Long, strong, and confident. Like it, friends. Like it. Let me know if you want to make $70 from selling my course. Nice, sleek. Morning, folks. Good morning. Don't drink Texas tap water. Hope there's a purifier. No, there's not. Is it that bad? Okay, I'm not drinking it. Is that bad? I drink tap water all my life. If I turn into a zombie, I turn into a zombie. Pepe coin. I got to get some water then. Okay, I will not drink it. Book of Meme, the next Pepe, high volume. Pepe will go down 100%. I mean, Pepe's just absolutely on fire. I think I've been saying 50 billion in this bull cycle. My ladies, that's another one we don't talk a ton about, but it is solid. Is XRP and other alts going to see pullback soon? Texas tap is fine. So is it good or is it not good? Is the tap water in Texas good to drink? I got to ask the people who live in Texas. Open Fabric AI is a good pick. Interesting. Zach, are you strapped? Is that even a question? Cockini going to do 100x. Nice, Sean. Okay. When do you think the next bull run is? I think we're in it. Everything can go down 100%. Stop the FUD. Yeah. Turbo and Bohm gearing up for another surge. Nice. It's fine. You need a... It's not just a live stream. Yep. Big Red. Dojalon Mars. I like it. Dojalon Mars. Sleeper. Sleeper, sleeper, sleeper. I should have went with Oscar to get something. I'm actually going to call Oscar to tell him, get me a bottle of water. I'm going to text him. Oscar. See if he can grab me a water. Don't hear much about Sol. Any input? I still really like Solana. I mean, I'm growing a nice Solana position thanks to Solana meme coins, right? Yeah, I like Sol a lot. I like Solana a lot still. TokenFi has been unbelievable, bro. What do we got here? TokenFi is a sleeper. I still like SEI, but I like SUI better. SUI. I still like Alchemy Pay. It's been an OG for me, Mike, for a while. I don't know about AI Pepe, We had the Alchemy Pay CEO on twice on the channel. Trying to get back into Brett. That thing's flying, man. Brett's going crazy, baby. Brett's going crazy. Jasmine, my friend. Yeah, we've been talking about Jasmine. Looking good. How about Caw? I'm looking to buy some Caw, actually. I've been very, very patient. Yeah, Kendo Inu hitting an all-time high and Brett on the verge of hitting an all-time high today. Beautiful. Two of our top meme coins. Brett and Kendo, baby. You can do it. You can do it. SHIB top 10. SHIB went into the top 10 last night. It actually surpassed Cardano for a little bit and then dialed back. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, make sure you guys do. It's totally free. Definitely helps us out. Hit the like button. We should have 100 likes. Are you into Chainlink? I love Chainlink, yeah. Chainlink and Ondo Finance are two that I really like in the RWA space. Obviously, Chainlink's more than that, but they're going heavy into tokenization. And their CEO is going to be talking at the conference. So that should be pretty nice. Hive Mapper, honey. Yeah, I actually saw some people with Hive Mapper shirts, people who work there. I think they're here this week. Yeah. Bitcoin Cash price prediction for the bull run. I don't really buy Bitcoin Cash. I don't really mess with it. It's either Bitcoin or nothing. Now I do like stacks and some of the layer 2s on Bitcoin or some ERC20 or BRC20 crypto plays. I like Dojalon Mars POZ. Sleeper for sure. Howdy doody. What's up, the Zay? My man. Link having a hard time because Pyth is definitely a strong competitor, Sean, but I don't think I don't think it's going to hurt Link in the long run. Link is just, it's been around too long. It has so many, it's literally like a glue in the industry. And now with the tokenization of real world assets, I still think Link's the play. That's just my opinion. It's a less risky play for sure. You look like you're from a Netflix show. Really? What's that mean? I don't know what that means. How far can Pepe go? I think 50 billion. That's my maybe crazy, maybe not so crazy price prediction. Thanks, Joe Vita. Link has ties with government real world assets. It's not going anywhere, 100%. Yeah, so does Ondo Finance. Ondo looks really, really good. No thoughts on Flare? No, not a lot. I mean, I know there was a big airdrop. Someone just cashed out 100K, not 100K on Brett. Yeah, I mean, why not, right? You're gonna have that, and that's fine. It's great. Sean, Pyth is definitely worth looking into. I don't feel as strongly about it just because it's so much newer, right? But it's definitely a strong competitor of Chainlink, and I think it could do well, but I just don't feel as strongly about it as Chainlink. So it just depends on how much you want to allocate, how much you have to allocate. You know, you can't have a little piece of everything if you want to build a strong position in something, right? Chainlink's one that I want to build a strong position in. I think it's undervalued right now. Polygon's still a sleeping giant right now. Yeah, it's not done anything lately, and I think eventually it will. Yeah, there's a lot of great AI plays right now. Injective and Render are two that I really like, and then obviously this merger with the ASI token. But I'm in a bunch of small caps too. Quick Intel, little AI company that I like. There's quite a few. I'd have to pull out my spreadsheet. I like Mr. Beast. Is that a crypto, or are you talking about the actual person? Injective overpriced? I don't think so. I like Proppy a lot. It's interesting. Fractionalized real estate is going to be a big deal with RWA for sure. I think there's definitely hope for Bonk. Yeah. Hold SHIB or no? I do. I'm holding some SHIB. Holding SHIB for multiple reasons. I love the community. I want to see it thrive. And I do think a lot of the new capital, when it comes into the markets, will go into Dogecoin and SHIB. Like some of these OG meme coin plays. Eventually when the capital rotates back in, I think we'll see some nice movement there. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody? 2 coffees, deep staring at the markets. Let's go. Let's go. Mid-cap AI plays. Man, there's a lot of them. Based AI, PAL AI, Compute Network. Those are a few. Yeah, H-Bar's solid. I don't have a huge bag of H-Bar, but I do think it'll perform well. They have a lot going for it, too. They have a strong community, too. What's up, everybody? All right, guys, we're going to get up on out of here. Probably have some videos and content for the conference coming later. So if you guys haven't subscribed, though, definitely give that subscribe button some love. Would appreciate that. And I got to charge up my phone and all that and get ready to rock and roll, man, as they say. As the kids say. Yeah, we'll be back with more content, guys, throughout the week. Obviously, we're getting ready to head over to Consensus here in a little bit, so try to bring you some content from the conference. Be on the lookout. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Probably some interviews, some live action over there, so stay tuned. Appreciate you guys. Much love. See you. Drink more coffee. Nice.